How to get thick legs in Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about getting the thick legs in Roblox. So now let's get started. For that, you need to go ahead and open roblox.com in your web browser. Once you're there, log into your specific account. Now search for the avatar section that you will find in the left-hand side of the screen between the friends and sandbox. Tap on avatar, then select characters. You will find it between recent and clothing. Once you're in the characters section, you will get two different options of purchased and creations. In the case if you don't already have it, find and select the Roblox girl character or Lindsay, purchase the character and then click on avatar. Hover over to head and body now and then click on left leg. Choose the thickest leg that you have. That is classic female version 2. And wait for it to load. Now repeat this process for the right legs, making sure to select the same type of legs, that is classic female version 2. Now your legs should be super thick. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.